Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Pirate Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the Flight Outfitters Chart Kneeboard. The Flight Outfitters Chart Kneeboard was based on a military design that makes it very robust, but also universal. You'll notice there's one strap that goes underneath your leg, and it connects to a buckle over here. The neat thing about this buckle is that it'll fully cinch to your leg and not pinch your leg while it's on there. You'll notice there's a little flap. That flap protects your skin or even some of your clothes from getting stuck into that metal buckle. The Chart Kneeboard is universal and reversible. So this clipboard can go either in the top, or there's a slot here in the bottom for it to be inserted in the bottom. This means if you want it on your right leg or left leg, you can do either or in any orientation with whatever stuff you want on the outside. The outside of the kneeboard has pockets. One's perfectly sized for a phone. There's two pockets here, mesh pockets for screen cleaning cloths or charging cables. And then on the other side, we have these little loops, and these loops are perfect for flashlights or for pens or even your sunglasses. You can put in these loops and let them hang. The clip on the kneeboard makes a perfect spot for charts or checklists or even a pad of paper for copying down IFR clearances. The really small size of this kneeboard means it'll take up minimal space inside your flight bag. The Flight Outfitters Chart Kneeboard can be found online at sportys.com.